Meaning of damaging. Damaging.
Damaging.
Damaging. Damaging. The term damaging refers to something that causes harm, injury, or destruction. The result of something being described as damaging can range from physical harm to emotional distress or financial loss. For example, a damaging storm could result in property damage and power outages, while a damaging rumor could harm someone's reputation and affect their relationships. The consequences of damaging actions can be far-reaching and long-lasting, and may require significant effort to repair or mitigate the damage caused. Ultimately, anything that is capable of causing harm or negative impact can be considered damaging.